Hello, hello, hello everyone, and good morning. It's early morning here in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania. I received a package last night from Stampin' Up, and it was a little crazy last night. I was super tired. Anyhow, you know how it goes, getting ready for Thanksgiving and all. Not only did I receive a package from Stampin' Up, I also received a copy of the upcoming new mini catalog. Don't you just love the cover of this? Also inside was a copy of the celebration brochure, along with an Experience Creativity, which is a little mini catalog. Those of you that may feel a little bit overwhelmed with the large catalog or the mini catalog, we have this one, which has some exclusive items in there as well. And they sent me a Join Stampin' Up, which I'm telling you, if you have ever thought of doing it, now is the time. Starting December 3rd, you'll be able to order not only from this catalog, but free items from Celebration, being a part of the Stampin' Up community. So all you have to do is just purchase the starter kit, and you can pick out items from this catalog along with our annual catalog. So let me put that aside because I have some exciting things to share with you. So let's start off first. Let me bring some of my goodies here. And those of you that saw my presentation from the swaps and information from On Stage and Center Stage, you would have already had a peek at some of the products because I shared some of the items that I received at that event. Let me just do a recap of those. Brand new stamp set, My Meadow, which is really cool. Goes along with Waterfront and Snowfront. It's just perfect. Love the gazebo and the wheelbarrow. Timeless Tulips. Who's loving that? Did you know that there is a coordinating punch to go along with that? It punches out the tulip and the leaves. This is called Tulip Builder Punch. So this is going to be a brand new bundle in the upcoming catalog. Save 10% by purchasing the two of them together. Also, Dress to Impress, which is really fun if you're a girly girl. Maybe if you're not even a girly girl, it's really fun. And along with that is a Best Dress Designer Series paper. This is 6x6 in size. And let me just open this up for you. There are dies. Did I get the dies? No, I didn't get the dies that go along with the Dress to Impress. So I did get the Designer Series paper because I just figured they're not that hard to cut out. And I have an electronic cutting machine. So let's look. So the one side has girly stuff. And the other side has, if you're not into, look at the beautiful floral paper in here. And here's some with the perfumes. And there's a pretty stripe. So you get 3. Let me put that here. I'm sliding on it. And look at the purses. I am a bag lady. I'm not so much with shoes. But, ooh, give me some nice bags, pocketbooks, whatever you want to call them. Look at how pretty they are. And did I mention? Oh, this paper smells so good. Are you a paper sniffer like me? Raise your hand if you are. Here's some perfume bottles. And let's look on the other side. Ooh, look at that. I'm telling you, you need to get this paper when this new catalog comes out. Here's some diagonal stripes. Look at how, oh my gosh, that is beautiful. I like to put that like all over my room. Some pretty florals. That almost looks like a washed out kind of daisy. Here's the shoes for you shoe gals. We got you covered. Look at how pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to get more of this paper. I wish they had it in 12 by 12. Some fun polka dots. Oh, look how pretty those are. Nice washed kind of flowers. Some background with some dots on it. And ooh, I don't know which page is better. I didn't see like totally all this paper at the event, but up close and personal, more shoes for you shoe gals. Sorry. early morning wake-up cough. Pretty roses. I guess that's what they are. Look at the lipsticks. Now I can run this through my brother's Scan and Cut, and that would cut that out like nobody's business. Real pretty light pink. And some makeup for you makeup peoples. And look at those. Oh, pretty roses. And there's roses all over the back of that. So that is part of the Dress to Impress. There are more items that go with this, along with die cuts, if that's, you know, something you're interested in. Okay, so there's that. Let's see, what else? I'm trying to put them together for you in a bundle. We have this Parisian Beauty, and I'll tell you, this is a red rubber stamp set. Oh, my stamp set is cracked. Oh, well, that's okay. This is not my style, but when I saw the things that they did with it, I'm telling you. Parisian dies. Let's get those out. Oh, my gosh, there's an Eiffel Tower in here in these dies that they cut out with the foil papers. And let me tell you, you want to talk about stunning. Ooh, here they are. Look at how huge that is. Here's my hand, and there's the Eiffel Tower. Oh my gosh. Detailed one, outline one, little flourish, merci. I believe that's amore. And here's this little symbol here, which cuts out this little, I don't know what that is, like a fleur de lis, I believe. But look how pretty. Ooh, that's going to be fun to work with that. I'm trying to think what else. There are other elements that go with it. Hold on. Oh, these. I believe these go with it. Champagne rhinestones. Hello. Ooh, this, no, I don't think this goes with the sweet, but anyhow, I'm just going to show you. Looking for my scissors here. This is metallic edged ribbon with the, it's called Petal Pink. I have to have my coffee. But I wanted to do this before I left for work today, actually, before I even showered. I got my day going. I wanted to share this with you. I'm sure you've been seeing a lot of demos that attend the event. When you attend the event, you're able to do what they call a purchase product premiere. Look at that, with that metallic edge ribbon. I'm a lover of that. Well, while we're on the thing of ribbons, we have, and I know a lot of you get upset with this. You want to get the iron to it. But this is a crinkled seam binding ribbon. And we used this for one of the cards that we created. And we actually stamped on it, which was really fun. So I'll have to demonstrate that for you in an upcoming video. But there it is. There's your crinkled ribbon. Don't feel like you have to iron it. It's made to be crinkled. But, oh, it's so soft. It's beautiful. Okay. Well, as long as we have this paper. Oh, here, this paper. Let's not forget this. This is the beautiful paper that goes with that. It's the Parisian Blossom Specialty Designer Series paper. Now, you know, when you hear specialty, we're talking good stuff, right? Let me get stuck on that sticky residue thingy there. So let's take a peek. Specialty means there's usually a little bit of glimmer or glam to it. And yes, there is. Can you see on the Eiffel Tower? We have a metallic finish to that. And here's the back. Real pretty. Let's sniff this paper. Oh, not as good as the other one. Here's some little keys and locks. That's real pretty. On the back of here, there's that fleur de lis. Ooh, look at these flowers. Can you see the metallic on that? Oh, they're so pretty. They almost look like they're hand-painted. Pretty. And then on the back, very subtle. Ooh, look at these. It has like stamped images over the images. That is pretty. And a little, very light color on the back. And here we have some suitcases. And the little postage mark, which I believe is part of that stamp set. Yes, there is. See how they're pulling in all the elements from the stamp set onto the paper, which is so nice. And on the back, just little tiny circles with the Eiffel Tower. And oh my goodness, look at this script. Now, I'm sure it's in French. Oh, maybe not. Well, a combo, I believe. Paris, amore, bonjour, bonjour. So we're going to get a little French this upcoming spring catalog. So pretty. That is so nice. Love that. Okay, so what is this one? Oh, we have an embossing folder. See, like this is all like new to me opening this all up. Because it just seems like so long ago since one stage was. So we have a new Stampin' Cut and embossing folder. This is the Parisian Flourish 3D folder. And I know you probably can't really see. Well, maybe you can. But look at that, how pretty that is. It has the little, like a little flower and kind of a little fleur-de-lis in there. And this is one of the bigger folders. And this is a 3D embossing folder. So, you know, you have to use the blue plate with that. Love. Holidays are this week, so I can't even think about any of that right now. Okay, so let's see. Then we have our painted poppies. Pretty. I showed you a card the other day that we did at the event. This is a red rubber stamp. So we also have coordinating papers. And I love our designer series paper. This is Peaceful Poppies designer series paper. I wonder why some of the papers come in this plastic and some of them have that fold over thing. I wonder if that has to do with the designer series paper versus the regular designer series paper. I mean, the specialty versus the regular. Maybe. Look at the pretty poppies. So let's thumb. Ooh, look at that. Oh, these papers almost coordinate with that other pack that I just opened with all the shoes and purses. Oh my goodness. Look at this paper. Oh, it's not even winter time here yet, and already we're talking poppies. Ooh, I like that subtle background of that. Oh my goodness, it just keeps getting better. Look at those. I mean, you have this paper and a saying and a basic card, you know, basic A2 card, and you're good to go. You don't even have to do any stamping. There's more. Look how pretty. And I love the weight of our designer series paper. It's nice and heavy. Oh, look at that. I don't know. I think there's going to be a lot of creating happening. Love that. So there's that. And then I got, this is Peaceful Poppy Elements, which I thought these were fun. All right. Do this. How am I on time? Oh, I'm running out of time. I better stop gibbering. Okay. I only get like 15 minutes and then YouTube cuts me off. So here are some die cut sheets on real thick paper. And then we have these on black. How pretty they are. You just punch them out. These will be hard to see. They're vellum. You have 2 sheets of them on vellum. Punch out. And then these are like they were embossed, white on white. You have 2 sheets of those. So that'll all be fun, right? Okay, we're almost done. Now, another thing I was not into, but I got, was this Clubhouse stamp set for the golfers and for the men. Because we got the designer series paper, so I thought, well, why not? So I got Clubhouse. Celebration. Oh, and I was able to get a new host set. Look at this little ladybug. Isn't she cute? Oh, I love that. I can't wait to play with that. And then the rest are all Celebration. I wasn't going to get this one, but my friend Lori said, oh my gosh, look at that birthday cake. So, Lori, I got it. Happy birthday to you. So this is a free Celebration. These are all free with a $50 purchase. Sending you thoughts, which I think this would go fabulous with that poppy paper. And the Gang's All Mirror. Oh my goodness. Are they not like, sorry, I'm like washed out a little bit. Let me bring them down here. Look how cute. I'm so excited. I'll try to see if I can fit them all in here. Okay, so that's my unboxing. I got 10 seconds to go. So can't wait to start creating. Thanks for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.